In the magical realm of Aethoria, where dreams take flight and wonder knows no bounds, an extraordinary friendship was about to face its greatest test. Meet Eira, a spirited teenage girl with hair like spun moonlight, and Ember, her loyal dragon companion with scales that shimmer like the setting sun.
Higher, Ember, let's touch the clouds.
Together they soared through skies painted with aurora lights, guardians of a world where magic flowed as freely as the crystal-clear streams below.
Remember, young ones, true strength lies not in power alone, but in the bonds we forge and protect.
Easy now, little ones. We're here to help.
Their bond shone brightest when helping others, like the baby phoenixes they found trapped in a thorny bush.
I am Malachi, and your magic shall be mine.
Ember, we have to do something. Aethoria needs us.
As Eira mounted Ember, their eyes met with shared resolve. The greatest adventure of their lives was about to begin. As darkness fell over Aethoria, painting the once vibrant sky in shades of twilight, Eira and Ember faced a choice that would change their lives forever. The magical realm they called home was under threat, and they alone could stand against the encroaching shadows.
I know, Ember, it's dangerous, but we can't abandon our home, not when everyone needs us. Ready, partner? Let's show Malachi what we're made of.
As they soared through clouds tinged with unnatural darkness, memories of their shared past flashed before Eira's eyes like shooting stars.
Catch me if you can, Ember. We've been through so much, haven't we, old friend? Whatever comes next, we face it together. Ember, you're fire. Maybe we can use it to create the right harmony. Together, you're stronger than any shadow. Show them what you can do. If I can just solidify the light. Ember, watch out. Whoa, did you see that? We're stronger together than we ever knew.
Malachi was watching, and the true test was yet to come. As darkness gathered its strength, Eira and Ember's bond would face its greatest challenge.
Ember, watch out for those thorny vines. We need to find a safe path through this nightmare.
Roar!
Ember, no, please be okay. Oh, Ember, you've always protected me. Now it's my turn to take care of you. We'll get through this together, I promise.
Ha 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 ha! Did you really think you could challenge me, little girl? Your journey ends here in the heart of my domain.
I'm so sorry, Ember. I led us right into his trap. But we can't give up now. We've come too far. Together?
Need a hand? Looks like you could use an archer in this fight.
Perfect timing. I'm Eira and this is Ember. We're trying to stop Malachi from corrupting all of Aethoria.
Nice to meet you. Now let's show this sorcerer what real magic looks like. We'll drive back the darkness together.
Ember, Lyra, I have an idea. Let's combine our magic. If we unite our powers, we might be strong enough to overcome Malachi's darkness. Ready, everyone? Let's show Malachi the true power of friendship.
Aim for the gaps in his armor. I'll create an opening. Now, Ember!
You think your little light show can stop me? I am the darkness that consumes all.
Don't give up. Remember why we're fighting.
For Aethoria!
No, this isn't possible. What is this power?
This is the magic of true friendship, Malachi. Something you could never understand. We did it. Aethoria is safe. We make a pretty good team, don't we?
So what's next for Aethoria's greatest heroes?
Ready for another adventure, guys?
And as the last rays of sunlight painted the sky, the words "The End" formed from the paths of playful wind spirits, marking the close of this chapter, but certainly not the last in the tales of Eira and Ember.